Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur Will Anya French. Moi, c'est Will. Si vous rêvez de parler le français couramment sans vous perdre dans les livres de grammaire, vous êtes au bon endroit. Aujourd'hui, je vous dévoile 5 astuces efficaces pour progresser rapidement en français. C'est parti! Hello, everyone, and welcome to Will and Your French. If you want to speak French fluently without drowning in grammar books, you are in the right place. Today, I'll teach you 5 proven ways to master French fast. Let's go. Tip number 1, immerse in the language. I'm not asking you to travel to France, especially if you can't afford it. I'm not asking you to travel to any Francophone country, but I'm just asking you to fall in love with French. Fall in love with the language. And one of the ways you can do this is by watching French movies, listening to French movies, and following French YouTube channels. For example, watching movies like Lupin or Amélie on Netflix, you can pick up so many new French expressions for your daily living, for your daily conversations. This is very important because you cannot say you want to learn French without actually immersing in the language. And one of the best ways I've mentioned is through movies. They are very essential, so don't miss out on this one. Music is another great tool. I love listening to Angèle. Her songs are catchy. You can sing along, and with that, you can practice pronunciation. And of course, don't forget, you can also subscribe to channels like mine for helpful tips and lessons. Tip number 2, practice daily. Consistency is key. Aim to speak French every day, even if it's just a few sentences. For instance, when I was learning French, I speak French to just about anybody and everybody. I practiced everything I learned on whoever I met. I got backlashes, I got criticisms, I got commendations, but all in all, I practice whatever I learn. For example, I would want to say my daily routine, je vais me brosser les dents, I want to brush my teeth. I'll say that to anybody I met just to keep that in my memory. And trust me, it might seem silly at first, but the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And also, you can shadow native speakers from YouTube videos. You can mimic their speech, the way they speak, so that you can also improve your accent, which is very important when learning French language. Tip number 3, use language apps. Leverage technology. It's as simple as that. In our time, I'd want to say that this is a very great time to be learning any language because you have apps that make it, very interesting to learn a language. Apps like Duolingo, Babel, they offer interactive ways to learn any language. They offer that, and that is a very good thing to leverage. I know that in our time, I didn't even have those, opportunities to use apps to learn the language. I'd find myself most of my break time in the library, pouring through dictionaries, getting new phrases. I didn't even have the internet to get as much as I wanted to, especially in this part of the world. But this time, we have everything we need just by downloading an app. And I personally like Duolingo because it makes learning feel like a game. I just advise that spend at least 15 minutes every day to learn from these language apps, plus any other thing you're doing. If you're super busy, 15 minutes on that app, you can learn a lot, grammar, you improve your grammar, improve your vocabulary. There's a whole lot to gain from using language apps. And I would say that I do like their podcast, Duolingo podcast. You get to listen to stories in French. It's very beginner friendly and it helps you, beginner to intermediate, or even, fluent speakers, advanced speakers can also listen to that as several stories that helps you to enrich your French vocabulary, enrich your French grammar, and also gives you that insight into different things that are happening in French. And then you feel a part of it sincerely. You feel a part of the learning process when you engage yourself and be consistent in everything you do. Be consistent. Learning a language can seem easy and can seem difficult at the same time, but as I said in the first instance, you have to fall in love with French language. You cannot learn a language if you don't love it. You cannot learn a language if you don't Share any form of excitement about it. So if it's a task for you, then it might seem much more difficult, or it might seem much more, work that you have to put in to learn the language if you have to. But if it's not, just simply immerse yourself, be consistent with it, use the language apps, and then you'll be very fine. Tip number 4, engage with native speakers. Engaging with native speakers is invaluable for learning the language. And I'm sure you're wondering, where will I find a native speaker? I probably live in Nigeria, where English is only spoken. I live in any other country where French is not spoken. Where will I find native French speakers to engage with? Don't worry, it's all easy now. Platforms like italki or Tandem, they allow you to, have real conversations with native speakers. It's online and you can have these conversations just at your fingertips, and you create that ambience of being in a French country and having this conversation with them would enrich, number one, your colloquial expressions. You can also enrich, improve your pronunciation, which is very important. And most importantly, this will help to build your confidence level. Just about speaking any language, you can have it in your head up there, but when it wants to come out of your mouth, it's something else. But when you have these conversations, daily conversations, if you can have them daily, they help to build your confidence level. Whether you make mistakes, you correct yourself, and then you'll find that, speaking French is just like a piece of cake. And another thing you can do is, the other platforms you can do, there are online meetup platforms, there are physical platforms you can join, just like in Nigeria here. You have like places like Club RFE, where you meet people. And this, physical conversations, or these physical engagements or meetings, they help to make learning more dynamic. They make it more enjoyable. You can exchange thoughts, you can exchange expressions. I used to do that when I meet up with people. I'd like, oh, I practice the new expression, the idiomatic expressions I learn, and this has really helped to make language learning really easy. And so I would advise that you do that as well. Take these tips and run with them, and then you'll find that learning language is not as difficult as it seems. As things are so easy as we find them these days. Plus, you'll gain insight into the French culture, which is essential for mastering the language. And finally, use practical learning methods. Practical learning methods are very essential when learning a language. I mentioned earlier that when I started learning the language, I'd speak the language to anybody, just about anybody I met on the street, in my home, at school, wherever I met them. It was my own method of memorizing what I had learned. Also, aside from writing them down, I also wanted to speak them. That was keeping it in memory. But right now, we have flashcards, a very good way to memorize our daily vocabulary, and we have digital flashcards like Anki. They help you to memorize vocabularies and review them daily. So these are very essential tools for you to use. Right. Additionally, writing down new words and using them daily in vocabulary, as I mentioned, are a very good way to memorize and to remember the things that you learned. It's one thing to learn a language, and it's another thing to actually use that language. So writing them down, using them daily helps you to, practicalize it. That is very important. And so this is one essential tip, the one tip you don't want to miss out on. Learning French, you have to memorize. And memorizing is not just memorizing in rote method. You just have to use them daily, writing them down, reviewing them daily, using them on people, on strangers even. And that way you can always keep it in mind, maybe especially when you get a slap. You won't forget that word. Another way to do that is by labeling things. I remember I would probably my phone, I would put that language in French. That way every vocabulary there for my phone, I got them in French. That really helped to build my vocabulary and help me to remember things quickly. So labeling things in your house could be your fridge, it could be your chair, you could be anything, your television. Just label and put the French labeling on it, and that way when you see it, you always remember what it is, and you would always say that what you see, say it out loud, and that way it sticks in your memory. That's it for today. These are 5 proven steps to fast track your French fluency. Remember, immersion and consistency are your best friends. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and share your own French learning tips in the comments. Merci d'avoir regardé. On se retrouve très vite pour une nouvelle vidéo. À bientôt.